Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make roles in Discord. First, open your Discord server and click on the server name at the top left. From the drop-down menu, select Server Settings. On the left-hand side, you will see a Roles option. Click it, then press the Create Role button. Give your role a clear name and pick a fun color. Now, let's dive into permissions. After creating your role, you'll see a list of permissions you can toggle on or off. These control what members with this role can do, like sending messages, managing channels, or even kicking other members. Carefully review each permission and enable only what is necessary for that specific role. Remember to save your changes. Once your roles are set up, you'll want to assign them to your server members. Head back to your server settings and click on Members in the left panel. Find the member you want to give a role to. Click the plus sign next to their name and a list of your created roles will appear. Simply select the role you wish to assign and they will instantly have it. Finally, let's talk about role hierarchy and display. In the Roles section, you can drag and drop roles to change their order. Roles higher in the list have more power over those below them. Also, consider enabling display role members separately from online members to make your server look more organized. Always place your most powerful roles, like administrators, at the very top.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.